Now one thing that I did notice is that this wheel spins a lot more than this one. This is the wheel that broke off after that accident. So I hope that the bearings didn't get messed up or something like that. I'm going to have to go take it for a ride. You see how this one spins a lot faster than that one. It sounds like this hub back here is grinding a little bit. I hope there's no damage to the hub, because I really don't want to wait another 20 days. That doesn't sound good. The rear left hub right here, I can touch it with my foot. It is really making a lot of growling, grinding noise when I go here. I'm not sure I want to take this hub apart unless I know really what's going to happen here. Let me just ride it around the house. I mean, it goes, it seems like it's a little laggy. I really want to take it outside. I'm going to have to wait tomorrow to do that because it is raining a lot right now. I wonder why this one spins more, if that's the affected wheel.
I think it's the other one.
You think it's this one?
Yeah.
This is how the truck went on though. This is the one that broke off. Do you think this is the one that I'm having problems from? God, I'm not sure now. So we noticed one side is slipping. It's this side that's always slipping. But does that mean that this wheel, this hub is failing? And this is the hub that broke off. If you can see from the truck here, this is the one that broke and got drugged probably for a few feet. So is the one that's slipping actually getting the power, and the one that's not spinning while this one is this the one that's broken? I'm not sure. I don't know if that fixed it or not. It seems like I'm still having problems, and I'm not even sure which hub it is. If there's a way to diagnose this, I would love to find out. I think I'm going to send this video in to Meepo. In the meantime, anybody else who's watching this video, if you can tell me which hub do you think, or how I can find out which hub is making that loud, awful noise, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, Meepo, tell me what to do next. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, Corey B, aka Binger. I'm going to try out the Meepo board that I fixed last night. I replaced a truck, but I think I'm having problems with the hub. So I'm going to do a few test rides today to see if that is the case. Definitely hear the growling that I did not hear before. So it's growling, but it's going. I don't know if it's going slower or faster than before, but we'll take it up and down the street a few times. I'm kind of afraid though, if it's growling, am I hurting the ball bearings? I don't know. So I see that once in a while this wheel isn't moving while this one is. This one starts moving, starts spinning, and then finally this one keeps up. I don't know why that's doing that. There he did it again. I don't know.